A ber, berele hasiko naiz gordetzearen mezu guztiak endezenetan bitartean eta bar. Ja orduan ikusiko duzu zuzeneko nola hasten den eta Y epa, laguno ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera. Printzipioz gaur egingo genuen Fallout 3-ren zuzenekoa, baina ez dakit zergaitik, jokoak ez ditutzi egiten. Pertsonaiaren izena jarri behar genuenean hor gelditu da blokeatuta moduan, eta orduan Red Dead Redemption 2 zuzenekoa izango da, beraz Fallout izango dut frogatu, espero dut beste joko batzuk esaterako aurrerago agian ekarriko dudan Metro horrelako arazorik ez ematea, eta berro izango litzateke gutxi gara konpentsazio zonaldea.
Miss O'Shea?
Hi, Arthur.
Hey, Arthur.
Vale.
Hi there, Arthur.
Bueno, estuko dugu egura apur bat. Lehen da bizi.
Good work, Arthur.
A ber, lagunak, hemen gaudela, jarriko dut mapa. Kanpamendu honetan gaudela, bien prologoa genditzen dugunean, eta Valentinen lehen daiziko atal honetan nosten badugu egunkaria zurroira goaz. Nabaldin bat eta buelta ematen badiogu bean azpian search for ancient bones azpian jartzen duela abundance ide dulent desire hori izango litzateke truko bat lortu alizateko munizio infinitoa. Joan beharko zinateke kasu honetan ajusteetara, trukoetara, Y-a berriro, hemen idatzi trukoaren izena, baina hori egiten baldin baduzu ezin duzu jokoa gorde eta abar. Norengana joango gara. RS nora da. Brenda Swanson. Don Javier Escuela. Joango gara hona, ia lortzen dugun desblokeatzea kasu honetan.
Mr. Morgan,
Yes, Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Matthews gave me a message for you. He said when it was convenient to head into Emerald Ranch. He's looking at a few business things there.
Okay.
Oh, he'll find something too. He always does. Will you be well now, Mr. Morgan?
I'm always well, Miss Grimshaw. Arthur.
Vale. Lortu behar dugu Alemaniarrak ematea misio batzuk. Tipo hau da.
We gotta get some food soon, Arthur. Food, more money.
Mr. Morgan.
Hey, Strauss. Bet you never thought you'd end up here, huh?
I didn't know where I'd end up.
Funny how things turn out.
Sounds good, Mr. Morgan.
Vale, tipo honek ematen dizkigunean misioak egiteko eta bar. Lortu ditzakegu larru batzuk, animalen larruak eta bar. Sartu ahal izateko gauza gehiago gure zonaldean. Zaterako, lapurtzen dugunean etxe batean, esaterako, lortuko genuke gauza gehiago sortzeko boltsak eta bertak nola saltu. Orain lapurtu alba ditugu lau sagar, hobetzen badu poltsa azkenan lapurtu al izango ditugu 89. Uste dut horrela askoz ere errazago ulertuko duzuela.
Hi there, mister. Hey there.
Vale, hau izango da Emerald. Emango dugu vuelta osoa, horrantza joan alizateko.
Swanson, you in here?
Come on. What's the holdup? Lay your damn hand. Lay it.
Mr. Morgan, I took your advice, sir. I took your advice.
Then your god has finally deserted you. What you talking about?
I took your advice, sir. I have removed myself from Morpheus's embrace. No more shall I sink, sir. I am free. I am free.
You don't seem free, friend. You seem drunk.
Sit down, Reverend. We ain't finished.
You ain't finished. Look at him, he's finished.
None of us forced liquor down his throat. Friend, I just want him to play.
Now, firstly, we ain't friends. Don't make no mistake on that subject. Now, secondly, he can't hardly see, let alone reason. Now, reasoning ain't never been one of my strong points neither, but seeing I do just fine. You want to step outside or deal with business here?
I just want him to finish the game.
Why can't we all just get along? These are good men, Arthur. They're children of God. They are children of God.
How's about you playing his place, huh? That seems fair?
Fair?
Sure. You want a game?
I can't, partners. I don't mean to spoil your fun, but I got things to do.
You sure?
Quite sure. I gotta get him out of here. Come on, Reverend, let's get you home. Where'd he go?
I don't know. I was talking to you.
Gentlemen.
Ah,
Reverend! Reverend Swanson! Where'd you go? Excuse me, I'm sorry. You see a drunken idiot, a priest, wandering about?
Sure, we saw him, smelt him, and avoided him. He went that way, I think.
Thanks.
Guy looked kind of crazy, mister.
No, you have no idea.
trukoen arira eta bar.
Reverend, stop!
Badaude truko batzuk munizio infinituarena eta lortzen dela lehen erakutsi dizuedan egunkarekin eta bar, lortu behar dituzu horrelako batzuk eta beste batzuk doakoak dira nola baita esateko.
Get your hands off him.
You'll keep. You stay out of it.
Get your hands off him now, you son of a bitch.
What the hell is your problem?
He's with me.
Come on. I'll kill you both. You bastard!
Oh my God, killed him. I'm gonna keep the law on you.
Hori ez.
Oh my God, killed him. I'm gonna keep the law on you. Hey, you! Get back here! Now what?
No
Where's
nahi.
Reverend?
Ai, 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 ai. A ver, a ver, a ver.
on, my friend. It's just a simple mistake. You can still be safe. What have you done with your foot?
It appears to like this place and wants to stay.
Bañate nada, Thor.
Get your foot out of here! Twist your leg, you drunken bastard! Help! Help me, overbook! Get it!
Thank you, sir.
Oh, no, you don't! What the hell is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you? Throwing me off a bridge like
There
that?
was a goddamn train, you crazy bastard!
Have I been bad again, Mr. Morgan? I'm sorry. I wish I was different.
Let's get you home.
Home. Yeah, that's a wonderful idea. I could have tea with Margaret.
Margaret, who's Margaret?
But
What are you mumbling about now? Yep.
Behar dugu kontuen liburua. Ba hori, gauza gehiago eraman izateko gurekin.
amen. I told him.
You shut up. Yep.
I was wondering when he'd show up.
There he is.
You're too easy on him, Arthur.
Eso es harto raro.
You better sleep your way to salvation, my friend.
What happened?
Just the usual.
Poor bastard.
Exactly.
Well, thank you, Mr. Morgan. I'll keep an eye on him.
He was lucky this time. Real lucky.
Okay then?
Pearson?
Okay, Mr. Morgan.
Hello there, Uncle. Keeping busy there, Strauss?
A ver. Vale. Diligentzia lapurtzera. Eta desblokeatu nahi dut Alemaniarren misioa batekin eta gauzak hobetu ahal izateko.
You there! Would you be interested in some friendly competition? I've come all the way north from Mexico to challenge a real American gunslinger.
Look out, mister.
You him?
Ah, eso. Hori ez.
Easy there.
Yep.
Hortik dago Willy.
Giddy up. Easy, easy, boy.
Ah, beste gauza bat, trukak erabiltzen badituzue gero agertuko zarete gordatu zuen azkenengo zonaldean.
Yeah.
Hey, partner.
Hi there.
An interesting way of putting it, Seamus.
No doubt. I do interesting very well. It's trusting I don't do so well.
Please. Arthur, this is Seamus. He's our new partner.
I ain't no such thing.
Prospective new partner, if he likes us.
Liking ain't the problem. Trusting is. As I said, keep your voices down. I don't want my boss hearing. This is a sideline.
Of course. Look at us. Honest as the day is long.
Exactly.
I'll tell you what. Let us prove ourselves.
Prove ourselves? To this clown? What you talking about?
Good day, Hosea. Good luck with your business dealings.
Listen, he's rough and ready and quick with his tongue, but I swear you can trust him and trust me.
I'm an old man.
You're not old, Seamus.
I'm old enough. And you know I ain't dead.
You don't trust idiots.
Exactly.
We're not idiots. Let us prove it to you.
Okay. I'll tell you what.
Arthur.
Old Bob Crawford and his boys just bought a beautiful stolen stagecoach from upstate. It's in their barn. Now you go get that, and then we can work together.
Who's old Bob Crawford?
An acquaintance of mine.
So you want us to take out your competition?
Well, he's not just an acquaintance, but a cousin. By marriage. I also want to see if you boys got what it takes. Now, you survive that.
Where is he?
He's in a farmhouse just northwest of here called Carmody Dell. It's just up the train tracks as you're heading up towards Fort Wallace. There's also some money in that house, but that's your business, not mine. But don't kill nobody. Folks know we ain't intimate no more, and they'll know it was me.
But you're fine with us robbing your cousin.
By marriage. And yes, I'd love it.
You heard the man. Let's go rob his cousin.
By marriage.
Really?
Really? Lead the way. He said the place is just northwest of here.
Me?
You're the one who's been out gallivanting around here.
That's what you call it. Oh, clearly you've recovered from your bear encounter.
Could have played that better, couldn't you?
Thought you wanted me here to show some strong arm. That's usually how it goes.
Yes, but you know how this works.
Come on, Hosea. That feller's a joke.
And that's why he's perfect. He won't cause us any problems. A safe spot to fence wagons and coaches, that's easy money for us.
I guess you're right.
Come on, it's not like he's asking us to rob a bank. If the two of us can't steal a stagecoach from Seamus's old crooked cousin by marriage, we should hang up our hats now. Crawford to know we're coming?
So what's the story with that Emerald Ranch? You find out anything else?
A little. Owner's a nasty type by all accounts. Seamus is sure scared of him.
That's not saying much.
Something strange about the place. Used to be a saloon there, general store. Now it's all closed up, but they seem to have money.
Sounds worth a look around.
For sure. Seamus also mentioned the rancher's daughter a couple of times. How he used to see her around all the time, but now she never leaves the house. Probably just sweet on her.
That what you call finding out a little?
Once he opens up, seems Seamus does like to talk.
Hopefully not too much.
Gero hor diligentzak saldu aldi ditugu edo horrelako zer ongi goratzen baldin badut.
That must be the place up ahead. We should go on foot from here. Let's see what we're dealing with. Come on. There's the house. I see the barn in the back. Stagecoach has to be in there.
Vale.
Okay, let's take a quick look at the place.
You see anyone?
Nope. Okay. I reckon we could do it now. Sneak in, I'll get the coach. You can try the house. Or wait until morning when I'll head over, distract them by putting on a little show, while you sneak into the house, find what you can, and then get the stagecoach. What do you think?
Let's wait.
Ea zer topatzen dugun.
Okay. Let's get on with this, Mr. Morgan.
Yes.
Let me head up there and make a fool of myself.
With pleasure.
Just don't get caught. Because it's me they'll shoot first. Wait until I have them distracted outside, then sneak into the house. My good man! My good young man. Fairly well, fairly well. Is your father home, son?
Sure is.
Get him down here. Please, get him down here.
Get lost, mister.
I was lost for many years. I was lost many years. And you know what? Oh, here he is. Are you the father of the house? Sure. Pleasure to meet you. I was just chatting with Junior here. You selling something, partner? Free. I know. All right. What? I know. Alignment. The Lord God Almighty, or whomever built us. But our brains in here, but our souls is in our backs. You, sir, your back looks kind of tricky and complicated. Sure. I can fix it for you. Just 10 or 15 sessions.
Whiskey suits me fine, sir.
Whiskey is this causing the problem. You ever meet a Scot who didn't hobble in old age? But the English and Poles, gin. They drink gin. And what is gin made with? Junipers. And what does the juniper do? Creates movement in the spine. Whereas your whiskey, made with grain as it is, leaves the spine brittle. Into the house and shop, please. Stay down here a little. It won't take long. I was worse than you, sir. I was broke. Look at me now. I dance every night. Women adore me. I got magic.
think I've reined you in my head. But they are in our back too. Oh. I can tell you're a very wise man, but the trouble still in you. That's the spot. Oh, my head. I know it. Give me a minute. We'll have Don't let those troubles kill you. Is that better? Just a bit. Yeah. It's a little bit better. This session has been free, but perhaps I might call again. How much will it cost me? I'm offering you virility, and you're asking me about money. Sure. I ain't made of money, Mr. My rates are reasonable. Have a think about it. I'll be around this way next. Gentlemen. Get on, dear boy. Come on, get on and let's head back.
Why are we going so slow?
Damn it, they're on to us. We need to get out of here.
Yeah.
Damn it, Arthur, you should have been more careful.
Yeah, sorry. Must have left the dresser open.
So what were you able to lift from the house?
Found some money stashed away. Must be a few hundred, not too bad.
Not bad at all.
This was easier than hunting a 1,000-pound grizzly anyway.
No doubt. I won't forget that in a hurry.
I'm looking forward to your retelling of that one around the campfire.
It wasn't the first time Mr. Matthews had stared death in the eye. And as usual, he did not flinch.
Yeah, exactly. So how long you think we're gonna stick around here for?
Not sure. Till we can't, I suppose. Feels like we're starting to get back on our feet, slowly but surely. Just need to keep at it. Dutch has a new money chest stashed in a safe spot away from camp, but it's a long way from being full.
I hope it's not stashed in town like we did at Blackwater.
Okay, here we are. Just pull the coach into the barn there. Hello, Seamus. We met your cousins.
How was it?
Fine. Nice people.
Park that thing in here. Quickly. Nice work, Hosea.
It was mostly Arthur. Like I said, coarse but competent.
Here.
Thank you.
If you find any other coaches that need selling, I'll see what I can offer you for them. But discreet, you know.
Of course.
Goodbye, gentlemen.
I'm heading back to camp, I think. You coming?
Nah, I'll catch up with you later.
Okay. Stay out of trouble.
Let's go, boy. Yep.
I'm trapped. Please, someone. Please.
Here.
My leg's all numb. Please hurry.
What happened?
My horse collapsed. I don't know why. It's my friends.
I'll see what I can do.
Yes. Yes. Just lift as hard as you can. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You saved me. Oh, that was bad.
Okay. Sure.
I could have been stuck here and starved or eaten. Oh, you poor, dumb animal. Oh. What'll I tell Mildred?
You need a ride home, ma'am?
Oh, yes, mister, please. Thank you. Do you know Valentine? I live there.
No problem. Yeah.
Bueno, ba Valentinera joango gara berriro.
I don't normally travel this far alone, you know. I was off inquiring about a possible new line of work. I'd borrowed a friend's horse for the trip. See, my husband... Well, it's just me and my boy now, and it's hard to find work.
I'm sure it is.
A good opportunity. That's what I'm looking for. Not much work for a woman with a boy to raise. I won't work in no saloon, but I've got sharp eyes and quick hands. I was hoping to get a job working as a seamstress. A wealthy man said he'd pay me for the work.
Sounds promising. Also doesn't sound real.
Oh, you may be right, I suppose. He said he'd provide room and board for me and for my child. He wanted to meet me first.
I'd be careful with offers like that, ma'am.
I can't afford to dismiss offers like these, even if they do seem odd.
Just be careful is all I'm saying.
I may not have another opportunity like this. Now I'll have to pay Mildred back for her horse.
It sure sounds like you're in a hard position.
You finding me is the only good thing that's happened to me in a long while, sir.
Fine morning, partner.
Agian nengo dugu Valentino komisio hori. Eta printzipioz agian horren ostean ja alemanak izango ditu lanak guretzako eta...
We're close now. Just a little further.
This bored you want to make an enemy?
We're here. Thank you for all your help. You're a good man.
Glad I was able to help. You take care. Appreciate it. You be well.
Come on, Charles. Drink up, ladies. Hey, all right, there we go. Oh, Arthur, come here, come over here. I want you to meet our friends.
Pleased to meet you.
Well, ain't you just a tough as teak mountain man?
Oh, you be quiet, Anastasia. Anyone can tell this one is a pussy cat.
Exactly, yes, he's a pussy cat. Ain't that so, Arthur?
Whatever you say. How much you cost, anyway?
Well, ain't that a nice way to talk to a lady?
Oh, I didn't know I was talking to a lady.
Excuse me.
Well, I must say, you got a fine way with the women, amigo.
Yeah, regular dandy and a charmer. Where's Bill?
Oh, man, I dread to think about it. Hey! There he is.
Watch where you're going. Take it easy,
Are you about to
pal.
kiss that guy or
Take it
punch
easy,
him?
huh?
Oh, and we have our answer.
Come here, you bastards. Oh, come on. We can handle these fools.
You wish you never stepped foot in Valentine.
Come on, fellas. Take it easy, please. Come on.
Te voy a romper la cara, cabrón.
I'll beat this.
sir. Oh, I don't need this!
Yeah, you'd like it to hell off.
Only
He ain't getting up from that. Partner, give Javier a hand over there.
Hey, tough guy.
You want some too, huh?
Come on, pretty boy. Pretty boy? You're kidding me. Pretty boy? You're going down in the mud.
Pea-brain, Morgan.
Come on.
You okay there, Arthur?
Yeah, I got this son of a bitch.
Go on, Tommy.
You must be the village idiot, huh?
You got this one, Arthur. I'm not playing with him, Arthur. Don't take that from him.
Come on now, big boy.
Stop! Please! Please! I beg you, stop! Come, sir. You won the fight already. Surely that's enough.
What business is it of yours?
No business. No business, sir, but please, I beg you.
Making new friends again, I see, Arthur.
Look who we found sniffing about.
Josiah Trelawney.
The very same.
Well, I thought you'd gone to New York.
And miss all this glamour. You must be joking.
How are you?
Well,
It is in giving that we receive the true gifts of life that are eternal. So give generously, for that is what this country needs to help each other.
Zergan balenkoa bi misio dauzkagu, ez da? Lehen da biziagian Ibaira joango gara apur bat bainutxo bat hartzera.
So? Pull up now. Yeah.
Bai, hor direz. Azpiedra terdi bakarrik. Apa...
Hey there, mister.
Who's that?
Arthur, you dumbass.
Glad to see you back in one piece.
Mr. Morgan. Mr. Morgan.
Please, come on. You brought me in. Help me.
Ah.
Egin behar dudan misio bat, edo ez dudan behar hori egiteko.
Herr Morgan! Herr Morgan!
Mr. Strauss?
You busy, my friend?
Why?
I'll cut you in.
Loaning. Already?
You know how it is. People is happy to borrow off someone like me, but more enthusiastic paying back to someone like you.
Of course. Who are they?
Let me see. Chick Matthews works at Guthrie Farm. He's a hand, I believe. Mr. Roble, the small holder at Painted Sky, runs the operations there, badly. Miss Lily Millet is a ranch maid up at Emerald Ranch.
And here was me believing Dutch's bluster about us helping folk.
It's legal work, Mr. Morgan. Debtors belong in prison. We are doing them a favor.
Aye. I'll make sure they see it in them terms.
Put the debts in the deed box and try not to kill them. It's very bad for business.
I just miss him so much. Of course you do. It goes without saying. What am I gonna do? Hi, Arthur. You're gonna suffer.
Hey
there. Go on. That's the truth of it. I won't lie to you. Miss Roberts. I know. Where am I gonna go? Stay here with us. Folk, they ain't so bad. It's nasty out there on your own. I know. You'll be safe here. At least for now. Till you're back on your feet properly. Thank you. Of course.
What's this?
You seem chipper?
Vale. Vale, orduan egin behar dugu misio hau esaterako.
Easy, easy.
Vale, hau ez.
Yep.
Vaya, man. Vaya, man. Han indioiarrak. Zer dira txakalak? Hortik ez gara joango.
Calm down.
You did this to yourself.
Kakasarra.
Why's it always gotta be such a goddamn performance with you? Now, I told you I'd get you the money next week, and I'll get it.
If you didn't make it this week, who's to say you'll make it next?
Don't you take that tone with me. I thought you said you loved me.
I do, but what get paid ain't enough for one person, let alone two. Your money's gotta be your problem now.
The only problem I got is this bleating going on in my ear.
Lily, where's our money?
What?
That loan you took. It's payday.
I'm sorry. I don't have it right now.
Well then, I guess we got a big problem, don't we?
Cooper, give him what you've got.
I ain't giving him nothing except a lesson in damn manners.
Son of a bitch. Waste of my time.
All right. He has all my money. I gave it all to him. Just take everything that you found on him and let's be done with it. Please.
Hey, you know what I'd do to thieves? Law here about this.
Okay, boy. I did. Steal that, it's a debt. God damn it. Yep.
Hemendik izan ikusten bufala gala.
Yeah. buddy.
What's a man?
Who goes there? Arthur, the hero returns.
Ez dakit ni oso ojitu izango naizen.
There we go.
Waves on the Bay of Biscay, I began to
Hey,
tumble
Arthur,
and roll.
What you want?
Man, you one sour son of a bitch, ain't you?
Only when I see you.
Only when I see you.
A ver. Vale. Aún espero nuena.
How did you get on, Herr Morgan?
Got Lily Millet's debt. Made some bad decisions in her life.
Good, very good.
My pleasure.
Well, if it's pleasure you're after, there is one other. This farmer preacher fellow I met in Valentine, Mr. Downs.
The opinionated little do-gooder? Yeah, I know the one. I certainly know the type.
Thank you, Herr Morgan.
There's no need to thank me. Like you said, it's pleasure I'm after.
He's more slippery than he seems. I've tried being polite. Don't take any nonsense.
Nonsense? Me?
If he doesn't have the money, beat him.
Well, I usually do.
I know.
Vale, orain, gordeko dugu.
I know.
Eta orain.
Mr. Morgan, bring me some materials, and I'll be glad to make something nice for you.
Appreciate it, Pearson. Let's go, boy.
Get rid of that horse! Move it!
I ain't cleaned myself in weeks.
Oh!
You been helping Pearson or strangling folks? 'Cause that's a lot of blood.
Really need you boys to get out there and hunt. Supplies are low. Good job, Mr. Morgan. I'm very into my crafting at the
Ouais.
moment, Mr. Morgan. I'm very happy to make you something if you bring me the right materials.
I reckon I need to get my hands on some materials first.
Long day, Arthur.
Hey, Abigail.
Hello.
My arms is gonna fall off.
Vale.
Evening, Arthur.
Yeah.
Head still rolling from the road. Out of the way! Yeah. Hey there! Don't think this day can get much worse.
Oh, it'll get better.
that?
Get away from me now! Fuera!
Hau barra da.
Ah, shit. Yep.
Ez dakit hau balio duena, ez?
coming in.
Wondered when you'd roll back in.
Good morning. I'm down to the scraps here now, Mr. Morgan. Many thanks, Mr. Morgan. Arthur, don't forget, I'm more than happy to craft you something if you bring me the right materials.
I just can't cope. Really. I can't.
Just remember, my items are one of a kind, Mr. Morgan.
I reckon I'm gonna think about it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yep.
Come on now, boy.
Ja, oso topatzen dugu. Horretarako baina bere behar dugu. En serio.
More. Yeah. Yep. Idiot. Yeah.
Zuek ez edar duna behar ditut.
Yeah. Yep.
What's going on?
Hey, boy. Yep. Yeah.
Exactly an enchanted forest, this place, is it? No. I wonder why they called it Valentine. Almost perverse. Seems polar opposite of romantic.
Well, I don't know. Some lady I was speaking to in town told me about a curse.
A curse? Now, nothing's more romantic than a curse.
Exactly. Prince turned into a toad, lovers into stone, entire country turned into morons. Curses everywhere.
What's Valentine's curse?
Well, I didn't quite understand what the woman was saying. Kind of her being a bit of an idiot, but something about a massacre.
Vale.
Last surviving Indian, cursing the county. Well, if they massacred people, then they deserve to be cursed.
Hello, Arthur. This stew is decidedly lacking on decent meat, Mr. Morgan. Thank you, Arthur. I'm very into my crafting at the moment, Mr. Morgan. I'm very happy to make you something if you bring me the right materials.
Vale.
Thanks, Mr. Pearson. Are you well? Glad to hear it.
Mr. Morgan.
Ay.
How are you, sweetie? Working? Want to lend a hand? I'd love to. Help me, you'll clear out.
Howdy do, Arthur.
Arthur, don't forget, I'm more than happy to craft you something if you bring me the right materials.
How are things?
I can't say I'm doing too well.
It all happens for a reason.
Thank you, Mr. Pearson.
Just what did you say to me?
I didn't do it.
I heard that.
Oh, heard what, you crazy fool?
I heard everything you said.
I was sleeping, you lunatic.
Don't make me angry.
I'm very into my crafting at the moment, Mr. Morgan. I'm very happy to make you something if you bring me the right materials.
I'm watching you.
Whatever you say.
How's it going?
I found some candy in my pocket.
Good for you.
Thanks, Pearson.
Hi, Arthur.
Hey there.
You don't have to feel sorry for me.
How are you holding up?
It's like a nightmare I can't wake up from.
It will get better, Mrs. Adler.
Okay.
Easy, easy. Easy, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Move!
I ain't out here to make friends.
iron hand. Back from the wagon. What did make this thing get from the bad side of the law? What in the... Yep.
I'm still locked in here, please! Please help! Please break the lock! Oh! Thank you! Maybe I know something you find interesting. My way of saying thanks. One of my husband's friends talked about this crazy old woman that lives north of Strawberry, stashes weapons for her sons, he said.
Interesting.
Anyway, thanks again. I'm gonna get on out of here.
Keep your head down. Don't trust anything. Yeah.
Hey. Bueno, el gara.
Okay, boy. Let's go. Yep.
Vale, jarraitu dezagun.
Yeah.
galdu dugu. Erango kanpalekura eta horrukatuko da gure. Gure zuzeneko.
Thank you. Good job, Mr. Morgan. Arthur, don't forget, I'm more than happy to craft you something if you bring me the right materials.
I had something real interesting I was gonna tell you boys and all, and I can't. It would have been amazing. Shit, I'm sorry. I am annoyed with myself.
Remember, you won't find something like this anywhere else.
Forgetting things.
Eso vale, ¿verdad?
I need to...
Bueno.
Get my...
¿Qué sirve este sitio tan frío?
Su propósito es estudiar
El Skyrim
cómo
real
sobreviven